it's reloadable, which AT-4s aren't. So we can carry multiple rounds out into combat areas, and if we have to engage multiple targets, we can always reload, and we have different rounds to set for different scenarios between buildings, mountains, people hiding behind rocks. So we can always engage a target at multiple scenarios.
This weapon, I believe, should be brought to every infantry line. The enemy doesn't know what this is. They don't see it every day. They think they can get away from it, and it just keeps coming. And in different ways they've never seen. They don't know how to hide from it.
I'd like to shoot one of these.
Whenever you shoot it and it goes off, it feels like you get punched in your whole body. Like the blast bounces off the ground and it overwhelms you. It's pretty big adrenaline rush.
My hands on CLP.
More? Yeah, let's do it again.
Okay, go for it.
You good? Okay.
All right, I got a target. Bottom of the hill, white truck.
Bottom of the hill, white truck. 395.
All right, let's do an H 400 meters. I'm gonna set mine for 500 meters.
Good. Round loaded, round loaded.
Ready to fire?
Backblast area is clear.
Go for it. Ready to fire?
Backblast area is clear.
Firing. Ready to fire.
Backblast area is clear.
Firing.
Go.
Ready to fire.
Backblast area is clear.
Firing.
Clear.
Do the unload again.
Clear.
Go for it. Load round.
Loaded. What?